Hi, I am Emmanuel Padilla. In this occasion, I will describe the process for the extraction of sugar. There, the cane is transported in vans and where tailored water pressures in different phases, with the purpose of removing residual soil. After the raw materials passes through to blends and a grinder to make it small tanks. This operation begins after the milling process. Wash is conducted through 4 tons mills. The fiber pass through edge of this conductor being carried by intermediate. This part is bound water at 16 degrees Celsius for the highest amount of sucrose rice juice. In this part, the juice is separated from bagasse in a rotting sieve. No juice treatment starts. It is carried to the alkalinization tank where it is decreases the acidity. After the process, the lime juice is pumped to the heating, where the temperature to 103 degrees Celsius by the action of steam rises. Once the process is complete, the juice is transported to the flash tank to be received by the clarifier. This operation facilitates the soil matter which is cayenne, cachaça, citric and probe clean or clarified juice. Here the juice is separated for the filtered cake, which are solid water. The juice is extracted with the cachaça pumped back to the tank and taken alkalizing. The residual filtered cake is conveyed to the fields to be used as fertilizer because of its high mineral contents. Under strict control, the juice is evaporated to reduce the excess of water. The clarified juice with a pH of 6.3 to 7.5 is pumped into a blender with the purpose of increasing temperature to 112 degrees Celsius. Sucrose is decomposed in the influence of the heat and has a caramelization process. The juice goes through for cereal herded that extract at 100% of water, thus obtaining a dark brown color strip with a high content of sucrose. This is proven by the breeds percent which show reach 16.5%. Subsequently, the syrup is transported to the arms, which are applied techniques for crystal formation. In this case, it is used settings healing, which allow achieving a uniform grain. With the completion of this stage starts centrifugation. Obtaining the mass, the sugar grains are separated from the honey. In the centrifuge, the crystals are separated from the molasses, living inside the crystals. Here, every time is tapped. Molasses, a byproduct of sugar, is used for the production of alcohol. Finally, the obtained when centrifugal sugar is transported through the conducts where an elevation, where hot and cold air is injected counter. The packing is the last step in the process of sugar. Here undergoes two stages. The first is the separation of the grains by a vibrating sieve. Check the fine grains of quartz. The sugar evenly scented presentation packing 15 kilograms. As for Things lessons, they sprout 2 stars of the process.